Still on it with Brian Commander, Street Politics on the Student TV. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do turn on the notifications. Lana Giglanda Koma, we in the city of Durban, South of Beach. I have here to visit our students, Lana, from Mangosuthu and UK10, who've taken a stand to say no to looting, and they've joined a good operation of cleaning their area. My friend, I just want to greet you quickly. From which institution nokuthi benenza namuhla?
Okay, khonmani dependent bullies nje nabaphulaphula. Igama lami ndungu unathi khonmani mnaheni. Ndifunda eMangosuthu nzinza iagriculture. So namhlanje nje size lapha nje sathi sizoklina khonmani. Kuba lakhe sibona ukuba le environment ehlala kuyo imdaka ndeni affected thina yibo modern abanye abantu. Yes.
Right, so students from Mangosuthu. Right next to him there is also another student. I want to go quickly to him. Azazise ubrada ukuthi ungubani yena, from which institution, nokuthi what is the motive behind Ilana ibinjani supports about cleaning at the Bayans?
My name is Durban. Ngifunda eMangosuthu. I'm doing mechanical engineering. It is no volunteer last is is because we've been seeing ukuthi i-area sehleli kuyona as ama student and nabantu abasazokhula babadala sibonise no ayasikhona uhlale endaweni engcolile kanje as community, so saphuma sazama nokumobilize abanye abantu sibazozama ukuthi siklinise especially ama citizens ahlala la esibhodi, ama students ase UKZN nawase MUT sahlangana sesonke kanye nomphakathi wasijoyina nawo omagbedo abangomakhelwane basiklinise even eLonsdale nayo le yase MUT ifikile nayo yasiza saklina la.
Right, that's managed to get us right here on the scene of Student TV. Andy Lenyati. I think many of you viewers of Babugele Makaya, you know this guy, Best A. Best A, please join us Sikulume Kabanzi about the operation that you have been running. You can stand right next to here. You can also check our visuals Lana behind the Labetole Konuguti Babege, isn't that the bay cleaner? Uspalona SC point. It's reported it has been looted. Parts of the loot Ebi Konalana and riots happening. Best A, asikbingelele fethu siyazi ukuthi you one of the KZN artists that is booming in the industry. You also a student. Awuchazela ababukeli ukuthi you student laphi nokuthi wenzani in life, yini lekubeke lana futhi?
Siyabingelela, siyabonga bafowethu ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nivele esikhathini esinje esibhekene naso KZN ikakhulu njengoba abantu nje kunombhikisho ovela kubantu ngezikhalazo zabo. Cha ke igama lami nguBest A. Sihlangene la ngokuthi sikwazi ukulekelela ukuklina silungise la okonakele khona emva ukuba bekunembhikisho yonke eyenzekile. Siyazama ke ngabanye abafundi, mina ke nguBest A ngifunde UKZN, abafundi abanye abase eMangosuthu, mina from UKZN eHoward. So siyazama siyalungisa lapha nalapho ukuthi kugcine kuqoqekile mfowethu, isimo sibuyele esimeni sikwazi ukuthi izinto sithole ngemali mhlambe engconywana kunaleso kunzima ngayo njengamanje.
UKZN and Mangosuthu, let me quickly ask you, parts of abantu abanisupportile lana on the cleaning, obani abantu benisupporta, whom are non-students?
Bakhona abaphathi bebhilidi, i-management bizama ukuthi sicontrole cause sihlukanisile. Bathu abanye bashone ngapha kule side bazama ukucleanela iquality, abanye beze ngapha esibhodi bazama ukusilekelela kuze kube clean, so besihlukanisiwe nje senze indawo eziningi ezihlukene. So yeah.
So the campaign, it's going to be an ongoing campaign or just usuka namhlanje a small portion area ngoba ngiyanibona njengamanje nisaphethe ama cleaning kits nisakhona futhi lana nizomisa kanjani ukuswela ngalesikhathi?
Makhona futhi la sidingeka khona si available for ukuthi sikwazi ukuqhubeka nokusebenza, silungise nje indawo yethu, silungise itheki lethu esihlala kulona noma inini. Okwamanje sibona kuyaphela la nakuba ngaqinisekisa ukuthi besisagadile nalapha i-pharmacy zama ukubuyisela izinto phakathi, yabona. So abafowethu bagadile ukuthi kungabikhona abaphazamisayo mhlambe nkathi kubuyiselwa izinto i-treatment yabantu abayidingayo. So yiloko nje mangabe kukhona la singa-availa khona esidingeka khona ngicabanga ukuthi singaba khona futhi sifake isandla mfowethu.
Ngabe zikhona itolo mhlambe sezivulile khona la around endaweni yase South Point?
Yebo ezikhona, kodwa yilezi itolwana nje ezincane ezifana namasiphaza, yabo akona ama supermarkets, ilezi itolo nje ezincane ezamayo ukuthi zibuyise lokho singenakho njengamazambane oanyanisi, yebo zikhona. Izinkwa ke ziyadula.
Ezizwele lapho babukeli emakhaya, things are happening in Durban. Abantu bathele bona isinqumo sokuthi bazozibambela and come on the live scenes bazocleana. I want us to quickly take them through our visuals ale area As you can see around me now, this is the whole place that has been vandalized the past 3 days. People have been looting all around here. Nangalana, they took a decision. They're going to clean the area. We're going to keep on visiting Durban streets, and we're going to be interviewing lots of people who are participating on the cleaning, saying no to looting. Don't go anywhere. Just stay on our channel, Student TV. My name is GWAMANDA, and this is Street Politics.